friends, welcome to my channel Nature Vibes. So, before we begin, I have a question. Do you all love activities? If yes, then shall we have some? Yes, so let us begin. I will give you all a few riddles and you have to answer them. Isn't it easy and fun? Yes. So let us begin. The first riddle. I am sometimes fluffy. I am sometimes hard. I can drop water on you, but I am not a shark. I am in the sky, but I am not a bird. You all know me very well. Who am I? Come on, think. Did you get it? Yes. The answer is clouds. Let's move on to the next one. You see me rise in the morning and set when the day is done. I provide you with light and heat, and I am a star. Who am I? This one is also really easy. Yes, you're absolutely right. This is the sun. Let us move on to the next one. This can fall on your head, but it won't cause you pain. It drops down from a cloud and is wet. Now I think you know me well. Did you get it? Yes, you're right again. It is the rain. Now, you have to guess who am I. I am going to show you two pictures and you have to make a word out of them. So let us begin. So, can you put on your thinking caps and get the answer? Come on, think. Yes, you're right. It is water cycle. So our today's topic is water cycle by Sabhyata Sharma, grade 6. So let us see what will we learn today. In today's class, we are going to learn what is water cycle. Before we continue, can you tell me what you know about water cycle? Yes, the water cycle has 3 stages: evaporation, condensation and precipitation. Anything else? Yes, the sun is also required. Okay, so let us see. As you can see that there is a tree and there is lots of water and land. Now, because of the sun's rays, the water gets heated up and it goes up in the sky and in form of water vapor. Now, before we continue, can you tell me, there is water vapor going up even from this tree. Can you tell me what is this process called? Yes, you're right. Transpiration. So the process by which water vapor is left out from the leaf surface is called as transpiration. So let us continue. So the process by which water becomes water vapor because of the sun's rays is called as evaporation. Now let us see what happens next. This water vapor, when it goes up, it becomes really cold and they come together. When they come together, they form clouds. These clouds, when they have lots and lots of water vapor, they become black clouds. And this process is called as condensation. Now, when there is lots of water, the clouds start raining. They start leaving the water and the water again comes back to earth. And this process is called precipitation. So what are the 3 stages in water cycle? Evaporation, condensation and the last one, precipitation. Now let us see and learn the definitions of evaporation, condensation and precipitation. Evaporation is the process in which water changes into water vapor. So as you saw, because of the sun's rays, water changed into water vapor and became clouds. Condensation, the process in which water vapor changes into water. So when the water vapor went up in the sky, it became cold and that's when they became water droplets and they became clouds. Precipitation. Precipitation is the process in which water vapor turns into water and falls on the earth in form of rain. So as you saw in precipitation, the clouds leave all the water vapor that has been formed into water droplets. Now you would be wondering what is the difference between condensation and precipitation. Condensation is the process in which only water vapor changes into water, but in precipitation, water vapor changes into water, but that water falls in form of earth. In condensation, that water forms clouds, but in precipitation, that water forms rain and falls on earth. I hope you all are clear with the process of water cycle. Now let us have a quick recap time. Can you tell me what did we learn today? Yes, let us see. We learned the process of water cycle. We learned what is evaporation, condensation and precipitation. Now can you tell me what does each of these terms mean? Yes, so let us see. Evaporation means the process by which water turns into water vapor. Condensation means when water vapor changes into water and it forms clouds. And precipitation is the process in which water vapor changes into water in form and falls on earth in form of rain. So, if you all are clear, shall we have a fun quiz? Yes, quiz time. Question number 1. What does water vapor form in the sky? Does it form the sun, the birds, the clouds, or does it form the planes? I repeat, what does water vapor form in the sky? Yes, you're right. The water vapor forms clouds in the sky. Question number 2. Is sun important in the process of water cycle? Yes or no? I'll repeat. Is sun important in the process of water cycle? Yes, you're right. Sun is important in the process of water cycle because without sun, the water won't get heated and it won't form water vapor, and that's when water cycle will not happen. Question number 3. What is the process called from which water vapor goes up from the trees and the plants? Is it evaporation, transpiration, condensation or precipitation? I'll repeat. What is the process called from which water vapor? You have to remember that water vapor goes up from trees and plants, not from water bodies. Yes, you're right. It is transpiration. So transpiration is the process from which water vapor goes up from trees and plants. Question number 4. Which of the following are the steps in water cycle? Is it evaporation, condensation, precipitation, or is it all of the above? I repeat, which of the following steps are in water cycle? Yes, you're right. It is all of the above. So evaporation, condensation and precipitation are the steps in water cycle. Question number 5. From where does water vapor come? Seas, rivers, plants, or all of the above? I'll repeat, from where does water vapor come? Yes, you're right. Water vapor comes from all of these above water bodies, like seas, rivers, plants. So, let us continue. Amazing job, friends. You all have completed the quiz. So, I hope you all had fun in today's class. Thank you. Meet you next time. I hope you understood whatever I have taught in this video. Bye.